Hey, little geniuses, have you ever been sitting in class, the room is super quiet, and suddenly your stomach goes grrrr? And then you start looking around like, who heard that? Don't worry. Today, we're diving into the mystery of the growling belly and what it's secretly trying to tell you. Let's go. Number 1. Your stomach growls because it's never quiet. Inside your belly, your stomach and your small intestines are always working. Even when you're sleeping, they're mixing food, pushing it forward, and breaking it down. Imagine tiny muscles squeezing and relaxing, like a slow-motion wave. Every time those muscles move, they create sound. But when your stomach is empty, the sound becomes louder, just like an empty room makes more echo than a full one. So yes, your stomach growls even when you're not hungry, but you only hear it when there's not much food blocking the noise. Number 2, hunger makes the growl louder. When the brain decides it's time to eat, it sends a signal down to your stomach. Wake up, clean up, get ready for new food. Your stomach then starts squeezing harder and moving leftover food or air around. This creates bigger, louder growls. That's why the loudest growls usually happen right before lunchtime. Your brain is basically knocking on your stomach's door saying, food arriving soon. Number 3, air makes things noisier. Every time you talk while eating, drink fizzy soda, or eat too fast, you swallow air. That air gets trapped in your stomach and intestines. When the muscles push it around, yes, you guessed it, Growl City. Sometimes the air even moves upward and becomes a burp. Sometimes it heads downward and becomes, well, something else. Either way, it's normal. Your body is just moving gas around. Number 4, your stomach is super strong. Those growling muscles are powerful. They can break down sandwiches, popcorn, pizza, fruits, veggies, almost everything you eat. They squeeze, twist, and mash food like a natural blender. So when you hear a growl, that's not weakness. That's your body doing superhero work on the inside. Number 5, when should you worry? Most stomach growls are totally normal. But if your stomach hurts, feels tight, or you feel sick at the same time as the growling, it might be a sign that you need to drink water, rest a little, or tell an adult. Usually though, a growl means only one thing. Hey, feed me. Number 6, fun facts you didn't know. Scientists actually have a word for stomach growling. It's called barbarigmus. Try saying it 3 times fast. Your stomach can growl even after you've eaten a huge meal. That's your intestines doing the after-party cleanup. Animals growl too. Dogs, cats, even cows. It's not anger, it's digestion. Number 7, how to stop the growl in school. If you want to keep your stomach quiet, especially during exams or silent reading, here's what helps. Eat a balanced breakfast, drink enough water, avoid gulping your food, and stay away from too many fizzy drinks, unless you want your stomach to sing a full concert. Your stomach isn't trying to embarrass you. It's just doing its job, mixing, moving, cleaning, and reminding you that food is fuel. So the next time your belly goes grrrr, instead of getting shy, smile. It means your body is alive, strong, and working perfectly. This is Little Genius Club, where every mystery becomes simple. See you in the next adventure!